Hello guys, today I have got the T-Mobile 5G router DL5M2 and I'm going to show you how you can easily set up the parental controls. To set up the parental controls, at first you need to tap these three lines at the top right corner in the admin panel. Here you need to go straight to the settings, and now here tap parental control. Here we've got access time restriction. Here we can tap enable and tap add right here. Now name, MAC address. Here I've got the days, start and the options. How to acquire the MAC address, you may ask me. Okay, let's open the settings in our phone. Here in the main menu, you need to scroll down to the general, about, and scroll down in the about section to the Wi-Fi address. This is our MAC address, and you can copy that and paste it on our website. I won't do it because I don't want to log myself in, but here you can then type the name. For example, Paul, MAC address, paste it here. Now you can allow your child to access the internet on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Of course, you don't need to check every single day. You can just tap each day. Start of the time, end of the day, time, and OK. Here we don't have the MAC address, but that's how it works. Goodbye.